Laylatul Qadr khayrum min alfi shahr. The night of power is greater and better than 1,000 months of worship. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm sure you've heard this verse and recited it so many times, but let's delve deeper into understanding how majestic Laylatul Qadr really is. If you perform one salah, it's as if you prayed for 1,000 months, and that's more than 83 years. Reciting one verse of the Quran, it's as if you've recited for 83 years. So give sadaqah, it's as if you gave for 83 years. I urge you to give sadaqah tonight towards our amazing campaign, which can earn you millions of rewards until you meet Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The International Open University needs urgent monthly support to carry out charitable projects which shape the futures of many destitute people around the world. I'm looking for only 1,000 people to give $10 a month. If that $10 falls on Laylatul Qadr, you could be rewarded the equivalent of nearly $3 million. This opportunity is one not to be missed. So donate on the link below. And lastly, please share this video with your family, your friends, your loved ones. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.